Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build the tropical rainforest. This is one of 4 sets that they are doing gift with purchase, and this one was last year. The new one's coming, so it should be here soon, and 2 more coming. I don't know when they're coming out, but that's okay. Let's build this one. Hey guys, I am back and we have now completed the tropical rainforest. There are lots and lots of really small pieces in here. Let's see if I can show them to you. It absolutely took longer than I expected it to. But it is still super, super cute. I really like the waterfall and the little bird. So it is done. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Come along and see what we do next. Bye for now.